Hello friends, if you guys are used to use the WhatsApp message, then this video is very useful to you guys. So in this video I'm going to share three great tips, three amazing tips regarding your WhatsApp messaging, like without any setting, how we can send to message to our friends in bold format and italic format and strike through format. So continue this video with me and watch till end. So let's start this. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Info Hunter TV. If you guys are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel right now. As we know, we have WhatsApp in our mobiles and we are not used to use the normal text message system, but with the help of WhatsApp we can send to the message to our friends. So how we can do these three things, like a bold text, how we can send the bold text to our friends, how we can make the italic text in the WhatsApp, and how we can make the strike through text in the WhatsApp. So let's start from first, how we can type bold message in WhatsApp. So friend, it's very easy. Just start your text with star and end your text with star. Mean both side you have to type star, like hello my friend, and type star and send. Same message you will your friend will get in bold. Mean no need to get any setting, no need to set any setting, just start message with star and end with message with star, like this, and easy peasy. So you can see we can easily type message in bold form. So next thing is how we can send the text to our friend in italic form, mean italic format. Just end and start text with underscore, same like we have start text with star and end with star. We got bold functionality, bold feature in WhatsApp, and for italic just start and end text with underscore, like hello, how are you, and end with underscore. That's it. You can see easy. We can start with underscore and end with underscore. That's it. So next is strike through, mean how we can send the message with in strike through format, mean how we can make the text in strike through. So we can use for this tilde sign. We can find the tilde sign little bit tough. Here we go. Hello, and okay, tilde sign. That's it. You can see strike through. So with the help of these three shortcuts, no need to set any setting, just use three shortcuts. I love star and underscore for bold text and tilde signature, tilde text. So we can also use these three functionality together, like let's start with bold, hello, and bold, and how are, and let's underscore, how are you, and I'm good. There we go. So we can easily type in very good shortcut messages with the help of these shortcut tips. So friends, you can see with the help of these three tips we can send to message our friend in bold and italic and strike through format. So guys, please send your thoughts and comments in comment box and share this video with your friends, and please like and subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends on social media so that they also can enjoy these WhatsApp amazing tips. So take care, bye bye, see you soon.